Sofia, and today I'm going to show you how to make some edible slime. So I know slime's not normally edible, it's usually made out of like glue and stuff that you can't eat. But today, since we're in a bakery, it's going to be done edible. So first I'm going to take like a handful or 2 handfuls of gummy bears. I'm going to put these in the microwave for about 30-45 seconds and then we'll be back. So now that they're done in the microwave, I'm going to mix it. And you want to work a little bit quick just so it doesn't harden and you have to reheat it. It's turning into more of a liquefied gummy bear. Be careful, it may be hot. I'm gonna add some cornstarch just so it could help the slime form. So you can mix it with a spoon or your hand. I prefer my hand because it could help mix. You're gonna wanna add about 3 spoons total of cornstarch, and you wanna just mix it in so it would form. Be careful, it still may be hot. Okay, almost there. Again, it's gonna get all over your hands. I'm gonna add my final scoop of cornstarch. So now I have 3 scoops of cornstarch. Since this came out like a really ugly color, I'm gonna add some blue. And you could always add edible glitter. Oh, this is gonna get all over my hand. Oh my gosh. Okay, so once you get it, you could like kind of play with it. And since it's edible, you could even eat it. Tastes just like gummy bears. This may give you an arm workout too, but it's okay because it's fun. It's like I'm pulling taffy. It feels like slime on my hands. It's just, instead of slime that comes off your hands, it's the slime that stays on your hands like for a really long time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, share, and comment down below what you guys want me to make next. Bye!